Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about the biology subject, and in previous class I am discussed with you previously that what is cell and cell theory, etc. Today, now we going on explain cell membrane. What is cell membrane? Cell membrane, also known as plasma membrane, plasma membrane, and it is also known as biological membrane. Plasma membrane are those membrane which is the outer boundary of a cell, which is the outer boundary of cell, and which isolate the cell from external environment, and which isolate the cell from external environments. This is plasma membrane. This is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane consists of lipids and protein. Lipids and protein. Lipids and protein. In normal way, in plasma membrane, 40% protein and 40% lipids and 60% proteins are present in case of animals. Kinds of theories explain the structure and nature of the plasma membrane, but most accepted theory which explain the nature and function and structure of the plasma membrane is fluid mosaic model. Fluid mosaic model. According to fluid mosaic model, lipids and proteins, these are arranged in a special manner. In fluid of lipids, protein float as ice. We represents another model of plasma membrane which is known as unit membrane model of plasma membrane, in which these are two layers of the lipids, and they are the head region of the lipids molecules are embedded in protein layer. This is the protein, and this is the lipid. This is the unit membrane model of plasma membrane. So lipids and proteins are the main constituents of the plasma membrane, and these plasma membrane is surround the whole cell, and it is the external boundary of the cell and which isolate the cell content from the external environments. Now we discuss about the function of plasma membrane. What is the function of plasma membrane? Function of plasma membrane. Function of plasma membrane. Function of plasma membranes. Important function of plasma membrane is that it prevents the unwanted material from outside environments to inside the cell. Outside environment to inside the cell. And also the useful substance which are present in cell are not losses by plasma membrane. So from both point it is clear that due to presence of protein, plasma membrane have selective nature, known as selective permeable membrane. Another question also arises in your minds, how CO2, which are the gaseous waste of the cell, enter outside the cell, expel outside the cell. Another question also arises in your minds, how H2O enter the inside this. CO2 diffuses from inside cell to outside, while H2O by osmosis enter inside cell from outside. What is diffusion and what is osmosis? This is the two special terms. I mean by diffusion कह सकते हैं हम, डिफ्यूजन हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं विशरण और इसको बोलते हैं पराशरण. From higher concentration, the moment of, this is the diffusion, the movement of medium molecules from their higher concentration to their lower concentration known as diffusion. It is passive process. means no spend energy। तो डिफ्यूजन की प्रक्रिया में माध्यम के कण अधिक सांद्र जगह से कम सांद्र जगह की ओर गति करते हैं और इस प्रक्रिया में किसी भी तरह की किसी ऊर्जा की क्षति नहीं होती, किसी तरह का ऊर्जा का इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं होता है। जैसे खुशबू का हवा में बिखरना, यह विसरण की प्रक्रिया है। विसरण एक पैसिव प्रोसेस है, डिफ्यूजन एक पैसिव प्रोसेस है और इस डिफ्यूजन के माध्यम से ही हमारी कोशिका में पैदा हुए गैसियस वेस्ट कोशिका से बाहर आते हैं। वहीं अगर सेल से वाटर का लॉस होना हो या सेल को वाटर का गेन करना हो तो इसके लिए उसे ऑस्मोसिस की प्रक्रिया की आवश्यकता होती है, जो एक एक्टिव प्रक्रिया है जिसमें ऊर्जा खर्च होती है। एंड इफ वी डिफाइन ऑस्मोसिस, देन वी से दैट osmosis is a process in which water molecules move from their higher concentration to their lower concentration across the semi-permeable membrane. This is known as osmosis. जल अपने अधिक सांद्र क्षेत्र से कम सांद्र क्षेत्र की ओर गति करता है अगर किसी सेमी परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन से होकर, तो यह घटना परासरण कहलाती है और इसमें ऊर्जा का उपयोग होता है एटीपी के फॉर्म में। तो फ्रेंड्स, ऑस्मोसिस के बारे में और भी हम पढ़ेंगे कि हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन क्या है, आइसोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन क्या है और हाइपोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन क्या है, इसके बारे में बताएंगे। और उससे एक्सऑस्मोसिस क्या है, एंडऑस्मोसिस क्या है, इनके बारे में हम आपको अगली क्लास में बताएंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।